we've just hit 200 subscribers. Thank you to everybody who's recently subscribed. Gained quite a few people from the United States. Welcome aboard, nice to see you here. We got to 200 pretty quick from 100 subscribers, and hopefully we can continue that momentum and get to 3, 4, 5, even 1,000. Anyway, stick around, we've got lots more videos to come. We're still going through the Christmas light collection. I'm doing videos on them. We've got little projects, reviews, and working on something for Christmas. A set of lights that's been heavily requested, and we're also going to do some really old stuff as well. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.